our monthly recap for the month of March on our profit loss history. This is going to be the channels that I manage inside the Discord. So these are going to be for the option trades, the stock trades right here, the margin trades for crypto, and then the spot trade. So margin means that there's leverage and spot means that there's no leverage. Right, so let's get right into it, and I'll go on to a dive on the performance on each channel. So we'll start off with the option trade channel that I've been managing, and to a bonus this time I actually added a breakdown of each month on each channel on the performance, on the returns that we've been making inside the Discord. So this is for all the gold members or the crypto stock members, depending on which membership plan you guys have chosen. So we'll start off with the options. So you guys can see that in the month of January we made $2,728, quite a good month. And then for the month of February we made $3,223, and then for the month of March is probably our best month so far this year on the option trades, is up over $9,044. Again, we did take some losses on UCO, right, and then AT&T trade, and then we took some losses on our GE puts as well, but ultimately did very well overall for the month of March. And now we can see that our account is currently up over $14,996. That's a percentage gain of 9.37%, and we have a win rate of 77.42%. Right, so these are pretty, remarkable gains on these put options that I've been doing. And actually, I'll probably go over a few trades with you guys here. So we were doing a lot of puts on the UVIX, and if you guys don't understand what the UVIX is, it's a 2 times leverage ETF, but it doesn't really work properly according to the VIX. The VIX could be up one day 5%, and the UVIX can go down because of the futures contracts that are inside the product itself. So usually when you want to buy puts on this is when it spikes up, and then when it spikes up it decays extremely fast back towards the downside unless you have a full-on market capitulation, at which point you really kind of want to get out of the way, because this thing can rally up 78%. I really wouldn't recommend shorting it. I've shorted it probably a couple times here and there, but I would definitely be more comfortable playing this strategy with put options, limiting your risk. All right, okay. Let's get back to the profit loss history here. Let's cover the stock trades channel. Okay, so this one, the options trade that we just covered, we do options and then we do very large trades as well. But for the stock trades, it's more passive swing trading strategy, which we started with 130,000. We are currently at $12,000, but we'll cover the monthly trade reports first. And boy, oh boy, the month of March was probably our best performing month out of all the months so far this year. So the first 2 months we made about $1,600 and then $1,082, and the month of March was a very volatile month for us, especially on our boil trade on nat gas. On this account we actually made a huge gain with that nat gas rally. We'll just cover natural gas really quickly. We had a big rally in the month of March here, or actually it was in the month of February, but we closed our trade in the month of March, so we was up like some crazy amount, like 30% or something, 35%, and I decided to take my profits there. I think I could find it here for you guys. It's right, should be somewhere in here in this big mess that I have. There we go. Our boil trade was up over 34%, bagging over $5,300. So again, congratulations to the members inside the Discord that are in the trade with me. You guys are making some amazing gains. And then we did take some losses, unfortunately. Again, another leveraged product, which is the UVIX, and again, longing this is extremely hard, but we managed to get out with a relatively small loss. I mean, it's still a significant amount, but 1,000 compared to the gains that we made was absolutely amazing. We can cover some of the losses, some other losses too, here on Credit Suisse and First Republic Bank. Again, this one was actually in profit at one point, but unfortunately we didn't take our profits quick enough, and so that's probably something I should have done myself. But I'll be improving on that, and furthermore, like into the future for future trades, and I probably won't be playing those risky banks anymore. But yeah, clearly if we did avoid these 2 trades, we'd be over $10,000 this month, but still a very good month overall. The stock trades are currently up 9.28% this year. We've made over $12,000 on a $130,000 starting balance, and our win rate is actually relatively well with a 91.89% win rate. Again, these are swing trades, very passive trades that can hold on to these positions for quite a long time. You can see, I think this Amazon trade right here that we closed in January, I've been holding since like September, and then there's some trades that I've been holding since October, November. It can go on and on and on, but overall we always make those great gains, great returns overall. All right, let's take a look at the leverage crypto trades now, the most exciting one, and this one has a little bit of a better breakdown. So this one, there's lots of trades that happened, and then I actually give you a breakdown of the percentage win rate on that month. So unfortunately, this month was not a good month for me. I actually lost money on my account. I was actually down $229.49. I think I took too many risky trades with high leverage and gave a lot of the gains back, but we still made some pretty big gains overall in Bitcoin and Ethereum in the month of March. January was pretty good with an $874 gain return, and then on the month of February was over $591, and we had some pretty good win rates, winning over half the time. But this month I was losing more than half the time, which was unfortunate. But you guys can see near the end of the month I started switching up my strategy with using a little bit lower leverage. The gains were less, but the important thing to me is not the big massive gains that we make. It's more the steady, consistent returns that I've liked, and that's kind of what I'm probably going to be opting out for, is some lower leverage and more consistent returns, because these big losses can probably be very detrimental for some people that don't have the same amount of money that I'm trading with. And I have to update the dollar signs here, but overall, you guys get the picture. It's not always going to be a good month, and the month of March for me on crypto was not a good month for me, and it's not always shiny rainbows, stuff like that. You can't always win. And unfortunately, this month was not a good month for me. But we're going to move on. We're going to trade better, and we're going to make better gains the next month. All right, let's cover the spot trades channel here. So this one is the spot trades for the non-leveraged crypto. So this one, there's no leverage, so there's basically no, there's a significant amount less risk when making these trades. Right now, we did make some nice gains in the month of March. We made over $568. Bringing our total. Oh, by the way, I forgot to calculate the total return for the margin trade, so we'll just go back here. So for the margin trades, currently I'm up about 24% on the year on this account. Obviously last year was a significant amount more, 228%, but we're still 3 months into the year. I still have a lot of confidence with the compounding and everything like that. We can still bring our account up significantly. I've seen my account up jump 70% one time and drop back down 30%. So again, this is what you're going to get with these leverage trades. It's a significant amount more risk, but you're going to get a significant amount more returns as well. So if you guys are risk adverse, you guys can sign up with the crypto membership or the gold membership. You'll get access to those channels down with the link in the description down below. All right, let's cover the spot trades now. So spot trades, we made, like I said, 568. Last couple months we made January 351. February was definitely a slow month for me, only $78 taken in profits, but we did enter a lot of positions, I think near the end of the month of February, and we closed a lot of them off in the month of March, and we actually booked some pretty nice profits, up over 568%. Not 560%, $568, and that brings up our account profit up to $1,075. Don't know why my numbers are not adding up here. Maybe there's like an accounting error, but it's probably up around that amount, because right here it's showing $999, while here it's showing $1,000. So I mean, the gains would be very similar. It's only a few dollars difference, maybe like $60 worth of difference in the gains. Maybe I forgot to add a trade. Oh yeah, that's what it is. I forgot to add the Rune and the GMX profits that I made for the month of March. So I'll be adding to that. So it's probably around $600 something that we made in March. But overall, not a very big difference. The percentage gain is still 8.96% on the no leverage trades, and we still have a 100% win rate. We have not taken a loss this year. Last year we did only have a 93% win rate. We did take a couple losses here and there, but overall made over 25% in 1 year swing trading the crypto market. So we are off to a very good start in the terms of swing trading for the two channels for swing trading. So the crypto ones and the stock one. Stock one last year was an 18.51% return, and we had a 93% win rate. And then the profit and loss for this year, we are up 9%. So we're basically halfway through, like halfway there in terms of our return, and it's only been 3 months into the year. So really excited to see how much money we're gonna make. I think we could get up probably up to the $40,000 range, maybe even up to $50,000. I mean, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I'm pretty confident in the returns that we're going to make this year swing trading. It's really awesome, really passive, and it's, you know, it's pretty relaxed in my opinion. There's not too much to be stressed about. So you guys can get access to all these trades by going onto my YouTube channel or onto my website, where you can see the Discord Premium. You get access to real-time crypto stock trades when I enter and exit my trades, daily market updates on current positions, and chart analysis. You guys can either choose between being a gold member, a crypto member, or a stock member. So obviously gold, you get access to both signals, and then the private portfolio tracker for all my stock crypto trades. And then if you just want to be stock member, then you only get access to the stock alerts for when I enter and exit my positions on stocks. And then you get access to my crypto signals, so when I enter and exit my crypto trades as well. So again, these are significantly cheaper, but this one you can bundle it up, and it's $40 a month, I think, or something in the range of that. But it's up to you guys to do what you want to do. Love you all. Take care. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.